in the Jackson.
Hi guys, and today I'm going to be showing you a free way, 100% free way to make a good intro for your YouTube videos. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go to panzoid.com. I have the link below in the description. Once you get here, you can see that there's a clip maker, a backgrounder, and a video editor. You're going to want to scroll down and find a template that you think looks cool. I'm going to go with this PyroCat FX intro template remake. I'm going to click Open in Clip Maker. Okay, I'm going to click this little eyeball here, which will show me the preview and then the play button. So right now we're watching the preview of the intro. So it looks pretty good, but we don't want that little fox logo. So we're gonna scroll through here. I think this one might be better. So again, we are gonna click the eyeball for the preview and the play button. Okay, so this intro looks better. So we're gonna click on this little cube icon in the sidebar. You're gonna find a group called text or name or whatever. I'm gonna click on that. Type in It's Philippe. If you guys have, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to my channel. It'd be appreciated. I'm gonna click 3D text or somewhere else here, so that saves. Now, if you click the eyeball again and the play button, now it shows my name. So once you like the intro you have made, you're going to go to this download icon down below in the sidebar. I prefer to use good quality, and you're going to want to use MKV unless you have some special WebM software, but I prefer MKV. I'm going to click Start Video Render. Sometimes video render could take up to 10 minutes, but it usually doesn't take that long. Okay guys, so my video render finished. Mine only took 2 minutes, but the video render can depend on the intro type. So I'm going to click Download Your Video. Now it's going to pop up a download icon here. And then you're going to want to go to Online Video Converter to MP4, because most video editing softwares where you're going to want to edit your video, they won't accept an MKV file. So they'll accept an MP4 file. So we're going to want to convert it. So here we are going to choose our file. And then I'm going to quickly search mine. So once you find your file, you can drag it in and use several different ways. You're going to want to wait for this to load here. Then you're going to click Start Conversion once it's ready. This part might take a couple minutes, but usually it doesn't take very long. Now you're going to want to download as, you're not going to want to click Download File as Zip. It's going to automatically pop up a download icon again. Now, if you want to drag that into iMovie or Premiere Pro, it's going to click Show in Finder. We're going to open it up, and this is our intro. So guys, this is the free, 100% free way, easy to make a pretty good intro. There's many different templates, so if you don't like the first one, you can make it again. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already.